Hello grade 5, how are you today? Today we will talk about unit 1, lesson 2. This lesson is talking about seeing colored objects. Did you ever ask yourself, how can we see colored objects around us? Before we answer this question, we have to remember together that the white light separated into 7 spectrum colors by using what? We studied it before by using glass prism. So again, the glass prism separates the white light into 7 spectrum colors. And by mixing these 7 spectrum colors together, they produce the white light, as shown here in this video. By mixing the 7 colors, we can see them as a white light. Okay. Now, number 1, we will talk about seeing transparent and translucent objects. We studied in the previous lesson that the materials around us classified into transparent, translucent, and opaque, right? Number 1, we will talk about seeing a transparent and translucent object. If I ask you, why does the glass bottle here in this picture appear to be green? Why it has a green color? Okay, when the white light strikes the transparent glass bottle, what happened? We said the white light consists of 7 spectrum colors, right? Like here in the picture. Okay, the bottle make what? It absorbs all the spectrum colors and allows the green color only to transmit through. Again, when the white light falls on the transparent glass bottle, what happens? It absorbs all the light colors and allow the green color only to transmit through. So we see it as a green color. So the colored transparent and translucent objects have the same color of the light transmitted through. Again, all the colored transparent or translucent objects have the same color of the light transmitted through. Now, if I ask you, give reason for the yellow ruler appears yellow when white light falls on it. Why? We said it will make what? It will absorb all the light colors and allow its own color only to pass through, and this color is what? Yellow. So again, it absorbs all light colors and allows the yellow color only to transmit through. Number 2, seeing colored opaque objects. Why does the banana appears to be yellow? Again, why the banana appears to be yellow? When the white light strikes the banana or falls on the banana, what happens? It absorbs all the light colors and reflects only the yellow color. So the difference between the transparent objects and opaque objects, transparent, they allow their own color to pass through them or to transmit through them. But here the opaque objects make what? They reflect their own colors. Again, the opaque objects reflect their own colors. So the banana absorbs all the light colors and reflects what? Only the yellow color. So the colored opaque objects have the same color of the reflected light. Again, colored opaque objects have the same color of the reflected light. Now, I will ask you to give reason for the red apple appears red when white light falls on it. Why? Because it make what? It will absorb all the light colors that fall on it and reflects only the red color. Again, it absorbs all the light colors that fall on it and reflects only the red color. 3. Seeing white opaque objects. When the white light strikes white opaque objects, they make what? They reflect all light colors. Again, when the white light falls on a white object, what happens? It reflects all the light colors. So, they appears white. Seeing black opaque objects. What happen? What happen when the white light strikes the black opaque objects? They absorb all the light colors. Again, when the white light falls on a black opaque object, what happen? It absorb all the light colors. So they appears with black color. Give reason for. We wear white clothes in summer. Why we wear white clothes in summer? Because what? Because they reflect all light colors, so they decrease the feeling of hot. Again, they reflect all light colors, so they decrease the feeling of hot. But we wear black clothes in winter. Why? Because they absorb all light colors falling on them, so they increase the feeling of warm. Again, why we wear black clothes in winter? Because they absorb all light colors falling on them, so they increase feeling of warm. Now we will talk about seeing colored opaque objects through colored transparent objects. For example, when we look at red object through red glass sheet, it appears red. Again, we look at what? At red object through what? Through red glass sheet. So they have the same color. It will appear what? It will appear red color. Why? Because what happened? Because the red glass sheet allows the reflected red color from the red object to pass through it. What is the meaning of these sentences? Again, the white light fall on the red object, and the red object make what? It reflects only the red color, and this red color will try to pass through the red glass sheet, and the red glass sheet allow the red color to pass through it, so we will see this object with the red color. But when we look at red object through blue glass sheet, it appears black. Why? Because they don't have the same color, they have different colors. Again, we will look at red object through blue glass sheet. What happened? The white light falls on the red object, and the red object make what? Reflects only the red color, and the blue glass sheet doesn't allow the red color to pass through it, so we will see the object with black color. Okay, now we will talk about mixing the colored lights. Colored lights can be classified into number 1, the first type, primary colored lights, and we have second type is called secondary colored lights. Like here in the picture we can see red and blue and green lights. They are primary colored lights, and when we mix them together, they produce the secondary colored lights as shown here in the video. So again, primary colored lights, they are colored lights that are not produced by mixing two other colored lights. They are what? Red, green, and blue. But secondary colored lights, we said they produced by what? By mixing two primary colored lights. They are yellow, cyan, and magenta. Like here in the picture, again we have red, green, blue. They are primary colored lights. But yellow, magenta, and cyan, they are what? Secondary colored lights. And in the middle we can see the white light. It produced by what? It produced by mixing green, blue, and red. So again, mixing red and green produces what? Yellow color. Red and blue produce magenta. Blue and green produce cyan. Red and green and blue produce what? White light. Okay, grade 5. I hope everything is clear. Thank you.